Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay from AS Learning and today we're gonna see about Microsoft Clarity. So finally we have someone big in the competition of digital marketing and website performance improvement. Finally, to compete with Google, we have Microsoft in place, and recently Microsoft has released the beta version and made it open to use for all the website people. So what is Clarity? What is Microsoft Clarity? So Microsoft Clarity is a website traffic management tool. So if you have a website, if you have a business, and if you want to see what your users do on your website, Clarity is a free tool. It's a free tool by which you can see a lot of insights regarding your website. So let's see what exactly Clarity is and how it works. So by Clarity, all you need to do is, if you want to set up Clarity for your website, you just need to add a small JavaScript code into your HTML file of your website source code, and Clarity will be available for you. Clarity gives us many things. It gives us heat maps, it gives us recordings, and it gives us lots of insights. So let's see a demo of it. So in this demo, we are seeing the data of this website itself. So in this website, as you can see, we have a lots of datas. So some of the very interesting features which we have in Clarity is, as you can see, dead clicks. Now user clicked or tap on a page with no effect. So whenever if you go on a website and you and when your users just click some random spots onto your websites and it does not create any effect, that activity is called as a dead click. And what is the percentage of dead click on the UI of your website, that we can see with the help of dead clicks. We have rage clicks also. Now what is rage clicks? When someone clicks into a smaller piece of area a lot of number of times. So we see that sometimes the HTML element is not working and we need to click it a lot many number of times, or sometimes it gets stuck. So we can see people doing a lot many number of clicks in a small portion of area. So that thing is defined as rage clicks. Excessive scrolling. So excessive scrolling is nothing but if someone does scrolling of your website more and faster than a normal average speed. So there are other details as well, like we have browsers, JavaScript errors. So this is a very important feature. As a web developer, you can straight away see that how many JavaScript errors are actually present onto your website. We can see some other information like the operating system from which the site was accessed, the country, distribution, the device distribution, the browsers, the popular pages, and some other things also like engagement, page per session, scroll depth, and sessions. So sessions, page per session, scroll depth, and engagement is something which you get into Google Analytics as well. But features like dead clicks, rage clicks, this thing makes Clarity somewhat special. Apart from this, we also have some other features like recordings. So in recordings, what do we have is, we have the entire recording of all the user activity done on that page. So here we can see we have the entry and exit, at what time the user came, what was the date, what was the duration he spent on that website, how many clicks he had, and we have some other tags also like the device, the operating system, and the country. So this similar feature we also see in Yandex metrics, and we have some other tools also, but it's wonderful that Microsoft has integrated this into one place and we are getting it for free. Microsoft has also given us a lot of customizable options also. So if you can customize your dashboard according to your need. You can click on devices, insights, whichever thing you want, don't want, you can have the time frame and have the results according to your comfort. We also have some advanced things like page duration, page click count. So things are in much more detail, and the most interesting thing is everything is just for free. And there's one more thing called as heat maps. So heat maps is a very interesting thing. Whenever any person or lots of users visit your website, we can track like on which button there's a lot of engagement of the users. So as you can see on Clarity website, there's 75 clicks. So lot many people click on this button. It's a hotspot. Now as this spot is in red, so it's a clear indication that people click this button a lot many number of times, and we can see the heat, and from this heat we can make a judgment that how good the design is, or how engaging the design is, and how the UI and the front end is working. In a shopping website, similarly, we will see a lot of engagements on click to art, on buy button and all. But it's nice, right? Like we have a much more clarity regarding how well our UI and our design of a website is doing. We also have some customized options like tablets. So similar data, we have it filtered for tablet. Then we also have it for mobile. Then we also have it for mobile. We have tap and scroll also. Yeah, so here we can see that on mobile also we see a lot of people clicking on get started and all. So this is what Microsoft has given us, and all these features are free. They are free of cost. You get a beautiful dashboard with lots of insights. You have recordings of many of the users coming onto your website, and you have a heat map. All you need to do is just you need to integrate their JavaScript code onto your website, and everything will be available for you. Thank you, Microsoft. It's amazing to see Microsoft open sourcing things and coming up with free versions and giving a tough beat to Google. So it would be interesting to see who wins this race. Up till now it was Google Analytics dominating the digital marketing world, the SEO world. With induction of Microsoft Clarity with so many features and free, Google is definitely gonna be given a tough fight. So that's it with this video, guys. This was regarding the digital marketing and analytics tool Microsoft Clarity. If you have your friends who are learning digital marketing or analytics, share this video with them, and if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, check some other videos too, and keep spreading your love. Take care, stay safe.